Have you ever thought about why robots struggle to adapt in the real world? It turns out they might be missing some key survival lessons from the most resilient life forms on the planet, plants. One of the most fascinating things about plants is their ability to thrive in almost any environment. From the driest deserts to the deepest oceans, plants have evolved unique strategies to survive and even dominate their surroundings. And this is exactly what robots need to learn from. By studying plant behavior and adaptability, robots could gain a significant advantage in their own ability to survive and thrive in various environments. Imagine search and rescue robots that can navigate treacherous terrain with ease, or agricultural robots that can optimize crop yields in the harshest conditions. The potential applications are endless, and it's an area of research that's still largely untapped. So, let's dive in and explore some of the key lessons robots can learn from plants, and how these insights are already revolutionizing the field of robotics. Plants have mastered the art of energy efficiency, and it's an area where robots could greatly improve. Through photosynthesis, plants can harness energy from the sun and convert it into fuel, allowing them to grow and thrive with incredible speed and agility. If robots could replicate this process, they could reduce their energy consumption by a significant margin, extending their battery life and increasing their overall performance. This is especially crucial for robots operating in remote or hard-to-reach areas, where recharging or replacing batteries may not be an option. One of the most promising areas of research in this field is the development of bio-inspired solar panels. These panels mimic the structure and function of leaves, using tiny, delicate structures to maximize energy absorption and minimize waste. In nature, plants have evolved to optimize their energy usage, and robots could learn a thing or two from their strategies. For instance, some plants can adjust their leaf structure to maximize energy intake during the day, and then adjust again to conserve energy at night. This kind of adaptability is exactly what robots need to survive in the real world. By developing energy-efficient systems inspired by plants, robots could operate for longer periods of time and perform more complex tasks with greater precision. Let's take a look at some successful robotic designs that have already incorporated plant-like features. One of the most impressive examples is the Plantoid robot, developed by a team of researchers at the Italian Institute of Technology. The Plantoid is a robotic system that mimics the structure and function of a plant, using a network of tender-like appendages to sense and respond to its environment. This allows it to adapt to changing conditions, and even respond to stimuli like light and touch. Another example is the Sprawl robot, developed by researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. This robot uses a series of interconnected modules to mimic the structure of a plant stem, allowing it to grow and adapt to its environment in real time. There are countless other examples of bio-inspired robotics, from robots that mimic the movement of vines to those that use plant-like senses to navigate their environment. And it's clear that this field is only going to continue to grow and evolve in the coming years. One of the biggest challenges facing researchers in this field is the limitations of current materials and technologies. For instance, it's incredibly difficult to develop materials that can mimic the strength and flexibility of plant tissues. Additionally, energy constraints are a major hurdle for robots that rely on biological systems for power. For instance, solar panels may not be able to generate enough energy to power a robot's systems, especially in low-light environments. Despite these challenges, researchers are making rapid progress in developing new materials and technologies that can help bridge the gap between robots and plants. And it's an area that's attracting significant investment and attention from industry leaders and policymakers. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in this field came with the development of the robotic root system, which allows robots to harness energy from the soil itself. This innovation has opened up new possibilities for robots operating in agricultural or environmental monitoring settings, where they can use the robotic root to tap into the soil's natural resources and extend their operational lifespan. Another breakthrough came with the development of the Sensing Flower robot, which uses a delicate, plant-like structure to sense and respond to its environment. This robot is able to detect subtle changes in temperature, humidity, and light levels, allowing it to adapt and respond to its surroundings with incredible precision. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of plant-inspired robotics, it's clear that the future is bright for this field. By mimicking the strategies and adaptations of plants, robots could gain a significant advantage in their ability to survive and thrive in various environments. And as we look to the future, it's exciting to think about the potential implications of this research. From search and rescue robots that can navigate the most treacherous terrain, to agricultural robots that can optimize crop yields in the harshest conditions, the possibilities are truly endless. So, what plant traits do you find most fascinating? Do you think robots should focus on mimicking the efficiency of photosynthesis or the adaptability of plant stems? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos on robotics and nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.